हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे द रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट। द रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट विच इज़ नॉन एज फ्लावर। तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं फ्लावर। फ्लावर को डिफाइन करने के द रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट इज नॉन एज द फ्लावर, या फिर सेकेंडरी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं द मॉडिफाइड सूट इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज फ्लावर। रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट क्यों बोल सकते हैं इसको? रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट इसलिए बोला जाता है कि ये फ्लावर प्लांट बॉडी के मेल एंड फीमेल पार्ट्स को कंटेन करके रखता है और मेल और फीमेल पार्ट्स के अंदर ही रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोसेसेस कंप्लीट होती है। सो वी कैन कॉल इट द रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। Basically, we can describe this structure with their parts and their function. Flower is a modified suit and the reproductive structure. Today we discuss about the reproductive structure of angiosperm plants. And the angiosperm plant's reproductive unit is known as flower. First, the basal part. The basal part which connected with the branch, is called as pedicel. And the upper broader part of the pedicel, that's this part, is called as thalamus or receptacle. Next, the leaf-like structure, these ones, the leaf-like structure sort are known as sepal, and the group of sepal is known as calyx. Next one, the upper, this part, the other leaf-like and large structures, are known as petal, and the group of petals is called as corolla. Next one, the male part, this one. This is the stamen. Stamen containing two parts. This part, a branch-like structure which is called as filament, and the upper part is the anther or pollen sac. So filament and anther या pollen sac forms the stamen or male part. Next one, the another part, this is the gynoecium या फीमेल पार्ट या पिस्टिल बोल सकते हैं. इट कंटेन्स थ्री पार्ट. दिस इज एन ओवरी, दिस इज द स्टाइल, एंड दिस इज द स्टिग्मा. ऑल पार्ट इज नोन एज द carpel or pistil. It contains style, stigma and ovary. The upper part is the stigma, basal part is the ovary, and the connective part, both of these, is called style. These are the parts of the pedicel. First, after that we can see the function of these part. Pedicel provide the nutrition to the accessory part or reproductive part of the flower. Thalamus it is the broader part of the pedicel that's situated at the upper of pedicel. Contains all accessory parts of the flower like sepal, petal, endoecium and gynoecium. Calyx, a green leaf-like structure that protect the developing flower bud. We can say during germination, during blossoming, the flower cannot blossom completely, and the other parts situated inside the calyx, it can prevent the other parts. Then petals. Petal is a bright color structural organization which helps in pollination. Due to their attractive color, the insects are attracted towards the flower and helps in pollination. Next, the male part, stamen. It contains the pollen gametes या pollen grains that helps in pollination or reproductive structures. Next part, the female part. The female part is called as carpel. It helps in the reproductive processes. So we can say the androecium, this part, male part or stamen, and the gynoecium, the pistil or carpel are the both reproductive part, and another these part, calyx, corolla, androecium, pedicel, receptacle are the accessory part. Next, after that we can see the different structure of male part and female part. The stamen further divided into two part. First, filament, and another is the pollen sac. The filament, the part which connected in between the basal part, the thalamus or pollen sac. Next, pollen sac. pollen sac the part where pollen grains are developed. Pollen grains develop करते हैं functionally. They provide forms the pollen grains, and the filament provide the nutrition to the developing pollen grains. The female part is called as carpel gynoecium, or the female part. It contains three parts. Ovary is the basal part, and the middle part is the style, and the upper part is the stigma. Here is the center part. Here the ovules are situated. The stigma is the recepting part for pollen grains, and style where from pollen tube develops, and ovary that functionally repend and forms the fruit after fertilization. These are the part of the flower. After this part, we can say the related functions, related parts of the flower. Pedicel, long tubular structure which provide nutrition to the flower parts from the branch. ये flower part से nutrition provide कराता है. Next thalamus, upper broader part of the pedicel, also known as the receptacle. It forward the nutrition to the apex of the flower like stigma and style of the flower. We can say pedicel also provide, but pedicel provide to the thalamus, and thalamus provide forwarded the nutrition to the upper part. Next, calyx, green short leaf-like structure are called as sepal, and the group of the sepals are known as calyx, which functionally protect the developing buds. Corolla, bright colored and large leaf-like structure is known as petals, and the group of petals are known as corolla. Functionally, it helps in the pollination by attracting insects due to their bright color. Stamens, the male part of the flower, with two parts, pollen sac and filament. Stamens, function reproduction. Carpel or pistil, the female part of flower, formed with three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Carpel helps in reproduction. Thank you.